gonna be in Alta about 2 weeks. I made a break at Boutique Hotel 005 here in Ulm. I'm gonna drive all the way to Campitello, Italy. I'm gonna stay there about 2 weeks, a skiing holiday in SELLARONDA. It's the most beautiful ski resort in the world. So here we go. I made a short break here in Austria. I have 2.5 hours and I'm gonna be in Campitello di Fassa. Such a long drive, I finally arrived. Let me show you the room. It's crazy. There's a fireplace over there. A jacuzzi over here. It is a small sauna here. It's the first ski day. But first I'm gonna need some breakfast. Got to rent some ski. It's a very interesting place where I'm staying, the Villa Koffler behind me. I'm a little bit late today, it's 11 o'clock. Now this is something I want to do. I was saying, I do believe that SELLARONDA is the most beautiful ski resort in the world, and I'm going to show you on the next days. I got 2 hours to be back in Canazei. you know, I'm not a ski fanatic, so if it's a day with storm like this, I don't have to go on the slope. And that's why today I'm making a hike. I have some torches with me. The storm is coming. It's windy, but it's alright, it's nice. I feel like I'm on a Siberian fairy tale. Because I need some lights. I'm gonna be into the woods. This means to hike with the lights. Over. Now this is SELLARONDA. Yes. I don't know if you noticed, but behind me it's sunny and nice after the snowstorm yesterday. So today I'm gonna try to show you how it looks like an average ski day here in SELLARONDA. You're gonna get on called RODELLA. What a spectacular day after the yesterday's storm. Now, you cannot go skiing in Italy without drinking bombardignio. And I don't know how 100 kilometers south from here in Austria, they don't know what bombardignio is. It's just this, it's just eggnog and a little bit of rum and a little bit of cream. It's really tasty and hot. So this slope is gonna bring me down to Canazei, to PARADIS APRESKI. It's a very nice slope to ride, but not at the end of the ski day. You can see what's behind. Sometimes after reach ski day, you don't want to go in the city again. You don't want to go out every evening to eat in somewhere. So today I'm going to buy some pizza and eat it in the room. My favorite restaurant in Canazei, El Resole. Let's try Saslong, the World Cup. This Saslong, as you could see, I hope you could see, it's almost vertical. World Cup ski slope. Slopes, not so many people. This is what I Yes, this is like a joke, or is as good as sex, I would say. Man, look around. No people, perfect snow, beautiful weather. Dolomiti, Saslong 2020. What a time to be, what a time to live in. I love SELLARONDA. It's such a beautiful time, such a beautiful weather. I don't have a clue if the camera is still recording. Let's hope. Good, I'm here.